Morning guys, right, I'm going to leave for Comic Con in a bit, like just get myself ready. Yeah, this is my costume for today. Obviously the jacket and the bag isn't part of the costume.
No.
Yeah, but my mate pulled the hat thing. I don't know if it looks okay. Should be alright. Obviously he's not coming with us.
No.
So, because obviously he didn't buy himself a ticket because he only knew about it a couple of days ago, didn't you?
Yeah.
So, yeah, so I'll, my moustache, I'll probably most likely record some footage a bit later, hopefully. So I will see you guys at Comic Con. We're on the way to Elm Park now. Now I've got Paul. He's kindly walking me to the bus stop. Yeah, I'm gonna look like an idiot today. Until we get there. But what did you say, Paul? I'm gonna look like an idiot till we get there.
You're gonna get plenty of looks like you already are now.
Yeah, so oh well.
YOLO.
It don't really matter really. So it's all about it's all about till we get there. The journey there and back don't really matter.
It's my life.
I don't even know that song. So I'll record the journey there probably. Or I'll record when I get there. No! My sticker thing fell off!
No! No, poor Mario.
No one would know it's Mario!
Give it CPR, mouth to mouth.
No! So, yeah, I'll record when I'm either on my way there or when I get there. Walking down to Elm Park, not even there yet, and already 3 cars. Three cars had already honked for me, so I don't know if they like the costume or not. I think
Honk if you like Mario!
they can't hear you, they're driving. But yeah, already 3 cars have already honked. Don't know if there's going to be a 4th yet, but we'll see. And I need to get that recorded for you guys. So I'll see if I can try and record and upload it for you later on today. I'm hopefully going to record quite a bit of footage for you, so we'll have to see how it goes. We're not too far from Elm Park Station, we're still walking. It has been a long walk. I am hot. 5 people, ain't it?
5 people have honked.
5 people have already honked for me, and we haven't even reached Elm Park, so I think I might need to stop recording just now because I can save my footage. So I will message you guys when I'm on the train. I will let you guys know. Comment below if you think this is a good costume and if it's getting me attention, like if it's giving me really good attention. Comment below this video about this and if you like it. We've reached our goal. We have 6. Woo! So yeah, and we didn't get an extra one, did we?
No, but soon to be, my friend, soon to be.
Yeah, we haven't even reached Elm Park. I've already hit my target of 6 honks. So like 6 honks in total for the cars. Doesn't matter if they do more. But yeah. So I'll record when I get to Comic Con if I'm going up memory. So I'll see you at Comic Con. Bye. Right, just got to Comic Con. Absolutely. See the amount of people. That's how packed it is. It is. But it's my first time. I'm trying to find chill. I've given him a bit much. But I have no idea. I'm probably going to I'm probably going to have some mad. I'll let you guys know when it is. I'm now finally, eventually, the Rob. Hello. And Chelsea. Yes. Yeah, and how big would you say it is? How big would you say it is? Exactly.
Pretty big. Yeah, don't worry, just check it about daily life a little bit.
Finally, on the way home, waiting for the bus to park, which will be soon, hopefully. And today has been good. It's been pretty good actually. So nice to actually see Chelsea and Robert again. I haven't seen them since the last time they came down, which was for my movie night, but that was before I started comedy. Just long enough journey home. Great. So I will probably see you guys in case you haven't realised, I put my stretcher in for a change today. Because plug, I just know it just made a change. I don't always have the stretcher in, I mostly have the plug, so it made a change. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Well, I've got to meet Paul at the bus stop first, that's just how it's supposed to go. So I'll see you when I get back. Just got back now, and the bus was actually quite, it was long, well, long wait, but it was actually quite quicker than what I thought. Yeah, and there was a bit of a surprise when I got back. This one here, that one, aka my mum, was surprised, and I was surprised to see the light on because I thought I turned it off. Yeah, and I also got this one here. Yeah, and the door. So yeah, I'm gonna probably end this vlog now, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
So I can probably upload all this for. What should I do it for? Tonight or tomorrow?
I'll do it tomorrow because then you've got more time just like edit it today. And
oh, no, so I'll end this vlog here. I'll upload it for you tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys. I'll see you all tomorrow.